update, we got a flat tire. So we made it to Choum. Here is the train tracks in Mauritania. These kids are chasing us, but we're gonna try to go check into the hostel. Made it to the hostel where we pick up the train from. It's coming at midnight tonight. So we're here chilling in this hut right here. We'll see what happens, see if we can get on. All right, we're all packed up. I'm ready for the train. Cat's eating some food. We got 2 hours to go till the train's supposed to be here. Gotta jump on. The longest train in the world. Alright, we officially made it on the train. Let's go. Let's see if we can make it through the night. It's about midnight right now. Mauritania. Up and take us to the hotel. Yeah, America, USA.
Thank you.